Hey guys, it's me, Smiley Miley, and this is my first video. So it's my first video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to be in my Smiley squad, and hit the notification. Wait, oh my gosh, again, just hit the notification bell. If first that. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video, and that's gonna be every weekend. Make sure you hit that like button because it's my first video, and you just need to hit the like button. I want to get at least 20 likes, so because we can get bigger. Like actually 10, and we'll keep doing 10 more each time. So we're starting off with 10 today, and then tomorrow, and then yeah, because tomorrow's the weekend. So tomorrow it'll be like 20, then next week 30, 40. So yeah. So I'm gonna be making the glow-in-the-dark slime by Karina Garcia, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 slimes, because I just counted them all in back. And I'm going to be doing a glow-in-the-dark slime, and I'm going to show you like how to do it and see a test if it is going to work. So these are the things you need. We have some white glue. It says clear glue, but we're just going to go with the flow and do white glue because you know I'm a daredevil, so I'm just going to do white glue. And then you have borax activator. The books for the instructions. If you don't have it, just go watch this video. Then you can need to mix your slime, a bowl to put your ingredients in and mix in the slime. Then you have some hot water only hot water. This is hot water. And then glow-in-the-dark powder. I have like so many slime accessories that like there's so much. Then I have 2 of these slimes, I don't know, just to make a fun thumbnail. So yeah, so let's get started. So first we have to turn to the page. Okay, this page is on 52, so we have to find 52. This is a fast way to do it, kids. Don't do it old school. Okay, this is the recipe. So this is the recipe, and you can get this at Michael's, Target, any store that I need. So I don't know where we got this because it was a Christmas present, so thank you, Mom. She's behind the camera. So yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is make our activator. And so you wanna do about like, I don't know how much, but yeah, so just like, I'm washing my hands after this. And one more big pinch. There. So we have that, and make sure you have a borax only container. It says right here, borax only, so we will not use this container again because it had borax in it, and borax can give you diseases, so we don't want to do that. And then have like something else to mix it, and in this, this looks like candy thing with some sun. I have a craft stick, so then you want to mix it all in, and this is how it's, and it needs to dissolve in it, and I did 250 millimeters just in case I need like extra. So yeah, so that is good. So now we're gonna put this aside, and we're gonna let it sit there until we need it and let it dissolve so it'll be stronger activator. So we have that. Now let's see what it says. It says add 4 ounces clear PVA glue to mixing bowl. I don't have clear, but as you said in the beginning, I'm using white Elmer school glue. So yeah, this is a new gallon. As you can see, I kind of used some for these slimes, and there's another slime back there. So yeah, and this is gonna be our filming area. So tomorrow we have the same area, and yeah, so, and this is 4 ounces. I don't know how much 4 ounces is, so I'm gonna guess. I think that's good. Okay, and you can use a measuring cup for this. I just want to go with the flow because, yeah, so that's like that much. So that's the next step. Add 1 teaspoon glow-in-the-dark powder to your batter and mix with the utensil. This is my utensil. And have glow-in-the-dark powder in here. So let's get the glow-in-the-dark powder. So it's right here. All this is like about a teaspoon, so I'm just gonna add as much as I want because I want it to glow. And I've tried it before, and that's about good. And I've tried it before with dollar store stuff, but the powder wasn't dollar store, and I used the exact same thing, and it worked. So I think it's gonna work this time. So I have that, and it says mix with utensil. So I'm gonna mix it until it's all dissolved. So you can't see the powder anymore. Okay, that is good. Now, what's the next thing? 1 teaspoon baking soda until baking soda dissolves. So I have baking soda over here. So, okay. I'm having some music on for you, guys. Okay. So I have this, and the baking soda. I had it the wrong way. And if you hear my mom eating in the background, because she's very hungry. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do that much. So yeah. Oh, it's blocking away. Sorry. By the way, if this is not perfection, it's because I'm on my mom's phone. And yeah, if I keep looking down, it's because I'm checking on my slime. So I think that's good, and it dissolved. Now what's next? Now turn to the next page. Mix in 1 teaspoon contact lens solution at a time using no more than 4 to 5 teaspoons in total. So it said that, but I have borax, so I'm just gonna add it until it makes slime, perfect slime and consistency to me. So I have that. It's like not exact. So it says until it turns into a blob for the next step. So I'm gonna, like, look at that. I have glow-in-the-dark slime in there. Okay, I just touched it and it moved a little more weird. Okay, that's good. That's good slime. Okay. So I'm gonna get all the stuff off this spatula and get it into my slime so I can take the spatula out and mix with my hands because I think it's ready to mix with hands. When you feel it like good slime, then look at that's really good slime. To me it is. It's my first very good slime. Not my first, but like. So it's gonna be turned out white, But I think you can actually coloring in it, but I don't know if I can, then I will totally do it. But I don't. Wait, listen closely. Annabelle. That's really good slime. For glow in the dark slime by Queen Garcia, that's good. But I'm just gonna add all of the slime like out of the bowl, so it's like not always the glue and slime, and you want a clean bowl because you might eat lunch out of this. So you want your bowl to be like kind of clean. It doesn't matter if you're like your bowl doesn't have to be that clean. So now this is slime. What do we do next? Once the slime has formed into a blob, start kneading it with your hands. The slime will be ready when the stickiness disappears. Okay, so I did that. So I think we're done, but there's this little like info that I want to read to you guys. So here's how to use it. Turn off the lights to get the full effect of your awesome glow in the dark slime. This slime is fun to use at sleepover on Halloween. Let's go to Halloween, yay! And at any other lights out, get together, put some of this slime in a clear container, and you'll have homemade nightlight. So now we can close the book, and now we contest it. Mom, come with me. Okay, we're going to the bathroom. Let's see if it actually works. So, come in here. Okay. Sorry if you can't see me if it doesn't work. Does it kind of work? Wait. It kind of. I think you can only...
I think you need to let it sit in the light for a little bit.
Ooh, I know.
And then you put it in the dark.
Okay. So, I think if you put light in it, it will glow in the dark because this is awesome slime. But just to be fun, I want to add some more powder. So, where's powder? Oh, it's in here. So, let's add more powder. Okay. Oh. This is so good slime. I don't think anything will affect it if you add color in it. I don't know, but for like, it's like good, especially if you add like powder in it, because it's going with dark powder. So I give this one a success! Yay, so now we have to find a clear container. Do I have to get rid of one of these? No.
We'll just put it into a different container.
Let's find a container.
You can find something.
I already used this container. What? Okay, so I am gonna end this video right here because we're going to find a container, but make sure you go check out. Make sure you go to my other channel, Miley Dreams Girl, to see my other videos. And this channel will be like slime DIYs, like all that fun stuff, vlogs. I might make another vlog channel. I don't know what it's going to be called yet. So I'm going to have 3 probably channels in total. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you have a smiley day today. Bye.